Hello friends, this is data connectivity and transformation part 5 video. The agenda of this video is we are going to learn create columns using examples, remove columns, create a conditional column, filter and sort data in a column. Okay, keep watching this video. Column from examples. Note it from add column section. Column from examples. We are getting two options under this section. Okay, but right now I am just going to select one column. This is contact information, in which we are getting email ID as well as phone number. So this is not the correct. We are going to split these two things in two different columns. Okay, and same thing we are going to perform with the name. Your first name and last name both are in the same column. So for that I'm going to perform column from example. Click this one. Okay, we have selected this column. So here what we have to do, we have to just uh, type what the things we want in different column. Okay, so here I'm going to just one, this is the phone number, just press enter. Okay, so here what we are getting, we are getting all the phone numbers. Okay, from it is remove, or it is created one new column, and here only phone number we are getting. Okay, so this is the way how we can get a unique set of data in a different columns with the help of column from example. If everything is fine as you or as your requirement, as per your requirement, you just have to click OK. So you are getting, and you can rename it easily. Rename this as mobile number. Fine. Same thing we can perform with this one. You need to just select this one, click this one, and pass the last name only, and created one new column with the lowercase of your last name, because I have given the lowercase here. If I made the changes here, let me do the changes. If I will make okay, enter. All the other columns have the same kind of name, like first name, first letter is in the capital. Okay, if things are as per your requirement, okay, you will get one new column with the last name. Remove columns. Few extra columns, like a column in which we have contact information, and we have um, mobile number and email ID in the same column, so that we want to delete, we can remove simply from here. This is the way how we are going to remove the columns. And simply what I'm going to see, first name and last name is there. We can do one more thing, we can merge this column. Okay, option is there, and we can make this new column name as full name, and the separator will be space, this one. It will create a new column where we can find out the full name of the customer. And what we are going to do, we are going to delete this remove column and remove last name and first name as well. Similarly, we can do one more thing, we can select multiple column at a time and delete it. Like we can select this one and mobile number, delete, remove columns. This is the way how we can delete the unwanted column. Create a conditional column. To add a conditional column, you will find out the option under add column, conditional column. You just have to click this option, and it will pop up a window. The add conditional column, it is mentioned over there. Add a conditional column, that is compute from the other columns or values. So what does it is going to do, it is going to perform the calculation on the basis of the values inside the other columns. Like here it is a just like if and else condition. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, okay, uh, the column name what we are going to create it, it is a kind of rating. Okay, and column name on which we are going to perform the condition, it is the quantity one. Okay, and operator is equal to or does not equal to, is greater than, is greater than or equal to, is less than. If the quantity is less than 5, then it is a kind of poor. Okay, you can add numbers of conditions. Okay, again, if the quantity is equal to or equals or greater than 5, it is good. Okay, and less than and greater than. Okay, we have put it this two condition for right now. Okay, else, like if it is greater than 5, less than 5, else you can say we have given only two conditions, greater than 5 or equal to 5. If it is greater than 5, it is showing good, and if it is less than 5, it is showing poor. But what will happen if it is equal to 5? Because for that we didn't give any output, any condition, so for that it is showing default value what we have passed, it is NA. Filter and short data. Here I'm going to perform the filtering on this customer name, or you can say the customer ID is there but we don't have customer names, so we are going to filter these kind of record where we don't have customer name. Just select this one, and in the field I have selected this one and remove this one. Okay, so now we are getting all those records which only have the customer name. Okay, they don't have like null full name in the ID, correct? And here, if you want to sort the data, you can say according to the customer name, we have the option, click here and you will find out the sortings. Text filters are there, sorting alphabetically is there, we can easily sort by alphabet, and we can easily give all the conditions which we can find out in this options. Not only for the customer name, you can find out sorting options in all others column as well. Okay, so these are all the options what we are getting to perform filtering and sorting. Okay, hope you guys are getting these things, because in every column we have these options, so one by one you can go and you can check. But yes, see, if the employee ID is numerical, here 1 2 3 it is showing, it means it is numerical. When you will click on the filter option, you will get number filters, and you can perform all those activities. But in the customer name, when you will click this one, you will get text filter, and you can perform everything which is related to your columns or your desired result. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in upcoming videos.